In this video, I will be showing you how you can change the rolling display time on your B900 display panel. So what that means is if I have more than one or two people that's waiting for assistance, it rolls between those calls that's waiting to be assisted. So you can change the time in which it moves over and makes space for the next one. So for showing you, I've made this 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds it change over to the next one. And in order to change that, let's just clear these. You will use your remote. You can go from 0 to 20. So we'll press function and you will go to function 3. So press 3 on the remote and 3 again so that it shows 3-3. And we'll press enter. Sorry, the default is normally 20, but you can go from 0 to 99. So if you wanted to show for 10 seconds, you just change that to 10 by using the numbers on the remote and you press confirm. It will tell you setting success and you just press the function key to exit until you are back at the home screen. And now it will show the calling information, but it will wait 10 seconds before it rotates and moves over to the next one so that you can see all the calls that are still waiting in the line to be assisted. I'm just waiting for the last one to show you. There you go. So it will rotate every 10 seconds to show you the next calls that is waiting for assistance in line until they are cancelled. There we go. Thank you very much for watching.